We're in the garage today doing customizations on Mario Karts. This used to be red, and then I used special paint, and it turned pink. And I think it turned pink because I used special paint. So now, I'm probably going to be Chevy Red. I don't know. I have to wait for the owner. Mario comes in, and Super D comes in. And I say, what color do you want it? Do you want it to be a Luigi cart? It should be green. Is there a blue Mario Kart? I have 2 cans of blue. Well, first I gotta tape it up. So this is a video of me taping it up and doing shots of Bankers Club in the garage with ice cream, which I'm gonna go put away for right now because I have to get to work. And I'm out of blue tape, so I'm using yellow drafting tape. It's just as good. Alright. I was never interested in this stuff and I wind up doing customs. How about it? No, I'm putting it in the wrong place. Yeah, it's very interesting to watch my back, huh? There it is. So if you see Mario Karts on Craigslist, it could be one made by Scott Franklin Ree. The man out of pop culture, the champion of love, the patron saint of marriage, God willing. Come on, T. What are you doing? T, what are you doing? Time for that first shot. This is only for adults over 21. And nothing good to rinse it down with. Blah. Okay. I did it before, so most of the work is done. I was going to use newspapers and put newspapers to block, but I don't need to. I know what I'm doing. There we go. Yeah. Chloe! Oh, Chloe. Why? That's too many dudes. Chloe. Oh, I thought you were... I don't know what I thought. I'm just trying to get in there. Whoa. Now I'm trying to get out of here. Oh. Yeah, this is very interesting, right? Now you're watching me put tape on the side you can't see. Should I move the camera? I'm gonna say no. This is like George Romero. Just like you put the camera somewhere and you let the scene unfold. All right. See the star? I told you it's a Mario Kart, man. There's that bullet thing is over here. You see the Mario Kart bullet thing? It's faded. I'm almost done already, man. And the big mystery is what color will this become, because I have to wait for the owner and then probably have to paint this silver again. I could do that now. There, that'll be the painting part. I'll just do that. I need another shot, man. I feel nothing. One shot of Bankers Club for a dude like me, it's not enough. Don't drink. Nobody thinks it's cool anymore. They really don't. It's too bad. I was really good at it. Surprisingly. I could drink the lion's milk. It sounds gross. Pass the test. I even passed that Flash Gordon test. You know about that? We gotta put your arm in the thing. Yeah, I didn't get bit. And I felt that thing, like you're gonna bite me. And I grabbed a hold of the thing. You put your arm inside of it. It's a test to be a man. Do you know about this? No, this isn't about something perverse about putting your whole fist in. No. This is, it's a thing from Planet Mongo. I don't know how to explain it. You put your fist in the thing and it's a trial to be a man. And if you get stung by the weird slime frog thing, then you die. And it's the green death or whatever. It's not good. I'm still here, obviously. Anyway, whatever. They don't do it like that anymore. Now they give you an award just because your numbers change. Whatever. What a world, what a world, what a world. I messed up. Let me fix that. Come here. There we go. I'm glad you can't see this. Yeah, Mario Kart customizations. That's all I do, really. I only work on other people's golf carts. Yeah, I'm a big Caddyshack fan. Caddyshack 2. That's how you know I'm a real fan. I like them all, even that terrible, horrible movie. You can't replace Rodney Dangerfield with Jackie Mason, okay? You don't even know who Jackie Mason is. There's no way he's still alive. There's no way. It's like when people wouldn't believe that Liberace was gay. Like my grandmother. I was thinking about this earlier today, and I don't know why. It's nothing anyone should be thinking about. But earlier today, hope you can hear me. Turn the volume up then. So earlier today, I was thinking about this. I had an argument with my grandmother, sort of, because I never really argued with my grandmother. I just wouldn't. I mean, that's her. The one I liked. The other one, But anyway, she didn't want to believe Liberace was gay. And she said it like this. I'm old. This is a long time ago. So she said, no, you should see him. You don't watch those shows like I do in the daytime. And when he's on them, he says the most raunchy stuff, and he's always flirting with the girls. I'm like, Grandma, he's gay. I didn't call her Grandma. I had my own name for my grandmother, but I would say Grandma because it's special to me, so I never tell you what I called my grandmother. But anyway, I don't want to lie to you, so I want to be transparent. So I say Grandma, but I didn't really say Grandma. He's gay. And she would say, he's not. You just don't see him on TV. And I'm like, whatever. Some people have weird fantasies. Some people, grandmothers and aunts and stuff in like the 70s on Merv Griffin and everything. And Merv Griffin? What are you talking about? He's not. Okay. Forget it. Nobody, you don't care. Nobody cares about Merv Griffin. I do. I'm sorry, but they forgot about him. Right? It's like Red Skelton. You know how many people? I used to know old people. I'm old, but I would hang out with old people, and they all had Red Skelton. Why? Different generations have different things. For some, it's a Tunerville trolley, and for some, it's like Red Skelton. I've got nothing against the man. I don't get. And Danny Kaye. Whatever. Different strokes, different. I need another shot. I can tell I'm loosened up, but it's just not enough. Anyways, for adults only. Right, obviously. Bankers Club? I don't even know what that means. It's probably the good stuff, because the bankers drink it. Like Chevy Chase of Chase Banks. He is from that. Did you know that? And now the neighbors, I'm just kidding, neighbors can't see me. The neighbors are going to be saying, what is this guy doing? They don't care. They can't see me. Where's my bottle? I gotta have a drink too. I'm gonna get my water. Ah. I'm more of a vodka guy. More of a vodka guy than I am whiskey guy. I like whiskey too. Some people say, I just want to have a drink. Why? Don't even bother then. if you're not allowed to take time to safely be drunk when you're not doing anything that you can hurt yourself, then drink when you're grown up. I don't recommend teen drinking. I really don't. I'm against it. I don't think it's a good idea. Let life kick your butt, and then you'll have a friend for life. I'm just kidding. It's terrible. It's terrible. So anyway, I got this taped up. Now I gotta move the camera, I guess, because we're gonna do like butt. We're gonna do butt stuff. Oh no. No, we gotta work on the back end, so I'm just gonna move the camera. So I'm gonna be here. Can you see all that? Is there anything horrible in the background? Can you see my piles of pornographies and stuff my ex-girlfriends used to put inside their bodies to make money on webcam videos? Oh, why did I like Pretty Girls? I thought Pretty Girls are supposed to marry rich guys. And then you do stuff that you're not supposed to do. Like, not anymore, but I used to. Like, you look at, like, I want to see naked girls. And then it would just break my heart, because I'm like, that girl's beautiful. Why isn't she married to somebody? Why is she putting stuff in there for money? Shouldn't she just marry a rich, handsome guy or something? Or just any, like, why are you doing that? I don't know. So, that's my story about why I can't watch pornography, because it breaks my heart. Because I don't want to live in a world where women think like, well, I have options, and the option is that. It's just weird. I don't know. I mean, it can get worse too. The stuff that they can put inside of them can be other people. Then it gets, you know what I mean? Like, you can't undo that. You can't undo numbers. You know, once they're there, you know, once it's done, it's done. And if everybody's watching, why? I know, for money. It's weird. Anyway, let's just talk more about Mario Kart and less about the heartbreak of the modern world. You know, everything that's happening now was predicted by Daniel Clowes when he didn't know how to end a comic book in the 1990s. Or earlier 2000s. He would always say, I don't know, some kind of weird, like feminist uprising and riots and stuff like that. And then he would just end comics like that. Like, I don't know how to end this weird... I don't know how to end Velvet Glove. Oh, I don't know. I'll do that. The uprising thing. Oh, I want to end David Boring. Oh, I know. I'll do the uprising thing. Yeah, well. His dad was a dentist. Did you know that? Did you know that Dan Clowes' dad was a dentist? What do you know? What would you know? What would a guy like you that watches this podcast, what do you know about dentists? Who was a dentist? Name me a famous dentist. Who is the most famous dentist? I wonder. Not the guy from Seinfeld. That's not a real person. I'm talking about real famous dentists. Anyway, not dentist. Dentist with a T. Like the guys that work on your mouth and your teeth. Poi. Anyway. I just want to paint it now. I'm itchy, you know, but I gotta wait. I gotta wait till I talk to the owner of the vehicle and see what they actually want. But I was like, yeah, you know what? Most customers, I'm an artist and creative type, they don't know what they want. And if you ask them what they want, they'll keep having you change a thing till tomorrow. Is that when Doomsday is? I can't remember. When's the invasion? When's the Blue Beam? Are they gonna do a movie like, hey, we're doing another Terminator movie, and they all sit around and they drink like blue bean. Like, hey, we have blue moons. We call them blue beams. You assholes. Whatever. You know what I'm talking about? Forget about it. Doesn't matter. It's over your head. Don't believe it. They're demons. They're demons from hell. Martians from space? No. CERN is the portal to Abaddon. I told you. This was given to me in a dream. Is it a dream or a nightmare? It doesn't matter. I'll have to do another video, I guess, so you can find out what color this thing became. You can show me driving around in it. Whee! Driving around in cosplay clips. Yeah, this would be great for some light purging. Oh, they want us to do it. They want us to do it. They want us to. You don't understand. Now stand under me. Whoa. Just kidding. Okay, I got it. Yeah. I'm almost done. Now I just gotta figure out how to get the camera over there so you can watch me over there. I keep thinking of like, oh, you can't do this the same anymore. Oh, they can't do that the same anymore. Like, what was the one I used in one of my episodes before? I said, yeah, you'll never see a movie now, like where people sit around a box of pizza. No, you will, but they'll make it digital. You'll never see a movie where people sit around like a box of pizza and they eat without plates, just like right out of the pizza box. Did you ever do that with your buddies or your girlfriends? Where you just order pizza and you just eat right out of the, you fold the pizza box open and everybody sits around and you spread out the slices. It's great. They tell everybody to get together, but they say stay 6 feet under. It's gross. Let me move this camera again. What's the best way to get it over here without stopping? I don't think I'm going to be able to get it over to you. I'm just going to point the camera like this, and then you can talk to me. Look at that beat seat. What a beat seat! Yeah, I'm just moving. I just want to get it done. This video is not about like, oh, how does it look? Oh, Scott, if you just spent like a little bit of time on like angles and production and done some editing. It's so easy. Why don't you just do it that way? I don't know. I do it like this. And I do it with all kinds of music that gets in the way that wrecks the whole thing, so I don't care. Because I gave up, like, they never wanted me to make videos, boy. Let me tell you what. They never wanted me to do this. I talked about all the wrong things at all the right times. Can you even hear me? Hey, this is what it is. This one's going up because I made it for somebody specifically. I made it for Super D. Yeah, that's the anime term. You know what Super D is? It means super deformed. That was before the internet. They used to make these squashed versions of things. I know everybody knows what it is now. It's like the baby versions of everything. Stupid! But it's not a dumb name. Ah, it's too hot. It's too hot for this. It's like in the 90s or something, I think. I don't know. Tropical. Tropical here. You know where I am. How else? Why do you think you drive around in go-karts here, man? Fuck Kokomo. This is better here. Kokomo? Please. Tom Cruise doesn't even visit. Can you see me? He doesn't go to Kokomo. Never. Certainly not now. He puts hand sanitizer in his Kokomo alcoholic beverage. That guy can't even drink. He can't do nothing. Whatever. Enjoy your money. Risky business? I already forgot it. I've never seen Top Gun. Do you know that about me? People talk about these old classic movies. They call them, what did Mark Twain say about classics? He said classics are the books that everybody talks about, but nobody ever gets around to reading. Nobody watches Top Gun. Stupid. I'm not picking on Tom Cruise. He doesn't care. He's like, I don't care. I'm gonna be in my food pantry. I'm just gonna live in my food. I'm gonna put my bed in my food pantry. I'm just gonna live in here. It makes me feel safe. I'm Tom Cruise. He probably has an island. On Tom Cruise Island. You don't even know about that. Johnny advertised his island because he's a pirate and everybody knows that Johnny has an island. You don't know about Tom Cruise Island. You don't know about Tom Cruise's multi-million-dollar house in Colorado. Parts of Colorado look like the desert and parts of Colorado are beautiful. And the weirdest airport that I've ever been to is the Colorado airport because I've never seen a collection of weirdness all in the same place like I saw Alta Colorado Airport. Colorado Airport. It's weird. I'm not even going to talk about that kind of stuff on this channel anymore. Just not even going to bother. There we go. I think we're good. I know you can't see it. You can't see it, but I did the whole vehicle. Now we're ready to let her rip, boy. Just gonna add some places where I think there might be splashback. because I know about this. This is my stuff that I do. I surely should be using newspaper. I should have newspapers around everything, but I didn't. So, you know, there. It's done. There. It's a Mario Kart adventure. The end.